Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 multiplayer not installed error on PC. So if you are also facing the same issue, just go through the methods. So the first method is to check server status of EA games. So you have to verify the EA servers whether they are online or not. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Or you can also search for EA server status on your browser. And after opening it, here you can see if they are online or not, or showing some downtime or so. If yes, then you have to wait for some time, and after that check again if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to restart your devices. So if you are uh, playing the game on PC or console or others, you can easily restart them. Just restart your router as well, modem, computer, and the game as well. And after restarting them, now check if the issue is fixed. Next is to check network connection. So make sure your network connection or internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, or you can also go to mobile data and do vice versa, and then check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to ensure multiplayer pack is installed. So you should check whether the pack is installed or not by going to Battlefield 6 installation folder. And if it is not installed, then you are facing the issue because of that. But if it is already installed and still you are facing the same problem, then move to the next solution. Next method is to run game as administrator. So if you are playing the game on EA app or Steam, then go to Steam. Now under library section, you have to select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and then select run this program as an administrator, and then hit on apply and OK. And after this, check if the issue is fixed. If not, again come back, click on disable full screen optimizations, and then hit on apply and OK. And after that, check if multiplayer not installed error is resolved or not. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers or your drivers if there is any update. And after updating, check if the problem is fixed. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link I have already provided in the description, and from there you can easily update your graphics card. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So Steam users, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if the problem is resolved. Epic Games users, launch Epic Games, choose library, then click on three dots in the game, then choose manage, then tap on verify button, and then finally relaunch the game. EA Games users, open EA Game app, then select the game, click on manage, and then tap on repair option. Next method is to change DNS. So here you have to change DNS to Google Public DNS. So for that, go to the Windows search for control panel, then click on network and internet. After click on network and sharing center, then click on change adapter settings, then right click on it on your Wi-Fi, click on properties. Now here you have to select internet protocol version 4, click on properties, then select use the following DNS server, and here you have to type 8.8.8.8, and in the below you have to type 8.8.4.4. so after this, click on OK, and then check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having any antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you need to do is go to the Windows search for Windows security, and here you have to toggle off real-time protection. So go to the Windows search for Windows security over here. Now here you have to click on virus and threat protection, then go below, then click on manage settings, and here you can see real-time protection is off. If in your case it is switched on, you have to switch it off and then check if the problem is fixed. Apart from this, again go to the Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in private network settings as well as in public network settings, and after that click on OK and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, again come back and disable this and then click on OK, and after that check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and this will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to uninstall EA app and install Battlefield 6 game. So if your game is on EA app, you simply have to uninstall the EA app. After uninstalling, reinstall and then check if the multiplayer not installed error on Battlefield 6 game is fixed or not. If not, next solution is to reinstall Battlefield 6. So if you are playing the game on Steam or Epic or EA game, simply you need to uninstall the game. So for Steam users, go to library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on uninstall. Finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your system. The same you have to do for Epic games or EA games, and after that restart your PC. Once after restarting, again reinstall Battlefield 6 game and then check if multiplayer not installed error is resolved or not in Battlefield 6 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.